hold it.
Jasmine will get the other one.
Lots of red tomatoes.
Wow. Yes. Get the other one.
This one.
Yes.
It's bigger.
Jasmine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon again, and I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are in the world. And if you're new here, welcome. Here we do plenty things, so if that interests you, consider in subscribing to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're updated with my latest videos. So in this video guys, we're going to sow our beef steak tomato here. So as you can see, I have two types of tomato seeds here. The right one is the beef steak tomato, which is a very large variety of tomatoes. And the second one is the cherry tomato, which is a vine type of tomatoes. So for this video, I'm going to be sowing the beef steak tomatoes. So today, the weather is good here in the UK. It's warm and it's sunny. It's not too warm. It's 7 degrees Celsius, but it's sunny, so it's a good time to start sowing tomatoes. And as you can see there guys, the sowing time or the sowing months for tomato here in the UK is from February to April, the one that's colored orange, and there are labels inside as well, so you can start labeling it. And so you can see there in the color legend that the sowing time is from February to April. The plants out is from May to June, and we can start harvesting it from July to September. So we've made a mistake last year of sowing it late. We started sowing it around May, so by the time that it started having fruits, it's already starting to get cold, so we didn't get to enjoy the tomatoes that we've planted, so we only enjoyed a little bit of it. So anyway, let's start guys. So what we need here is the tomato seeds. So you have your choice of getting the tomato seeds. This one, we bought it from B&Q, or you can get it from the garden centers, and you can buy a tomato as well from the supermarket, and you can just get the seeds from there, which what my husband have done last year. So this time we're going to be sowing it from the one that we bought from the garden center. So I got this from B&Q. So we have the garden seed here, the tomato seed, and I have the propagating tray here as well. So this one, we've just recycled it from my petunias last year, and we're going to be using it for our tomatoes. So let's do this guys. So you can see there's one label here, and already opened the packet of tomatoes, and then we're just going to put it in the soil. So I haven't mentioned earlier, we've used Miracle Grow compost soil here in this propagating tray, and let's start sowing guys. I'm going to put 2 holes each. Yeah, so I'm going to put holes here. Don't make it too deep. I think I'm making it too deep. Alright, there you go. Alright, So we have these seeds inside the packet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The another one fell off the grass, but I'm just going to put the rest in the hole. So there are 6. Maybe we can put one on the other holes. Right guys, so I'm going to put one per hole. And then so we've just used up 4 cells of the tray. So let's going to cover it up with the soil. This one. There you go guys. So we're just going to water this and we'll wait until the seed starts to germinate. So it should be within 7 to 10 days. So there you go guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll give you an update on how my beefsteak tomatoes grow. So there you go. Happy gardening guys. See you in the next video.